of this match will be wearing blue yatak. Okay. And his opponent, San Sarmiento del Norte, wearing green yatak. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, they will be demonstrating few
Ikaupat pa ni siya pero kuan ni siya kanang demonstration kuan ni siya exhibition match.
The green yaktag
Dili ni
will
siya
be
recorded.
demonstrating hip throw. This is a common technique for takedown that is very useful in mixed martial arts. On the second situation, the blue yaktag will execute this will be the second situational wherein the green yaktag demonstrates a hip throw. Now this time, the blue yaktag will execute a rear side throw. This is also common technique for takedowns used in mixed martial arts. On the second situation, another execution of a rear side throw. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will present how Kura Sport is being played on the mat.
Oh, pang 4 pa lang ni Lee Harry. Pang 4 pa lang ni siya.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is the actual Kura Sport, how it is being played on the mat or on the ring. So on this time, there will be a score called Chala. Means 1 point. That is in favor for the green yaktag.
Si Obedinho
Yunbus,
ikalima si Miro.
which signifies 50% in favor for the blue yaktag.
Number 2 si Lorenzo Miro. Sila naman siguro tong nahuman ka ganina. Number 2 man siya diri sa list.
Again, that's Chala. That means 1 point in favor for the green yaktag.
Ika number 7 si Barbaso. 7th bout. Si Obedience
Kalung, that signifies a,
Yasana. Yasanyas din.
that's Kalul in favor of Blue Yakta, signifies a perfect score. And now we have a winner, which is the Blue